Hello my lovely friends and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for another unboxing. This time I will have the what's the name of this one? It's Yes Oh Yas bag, the monthly subscription. Just to let you know, I just canceled this one today. I was planning to cancel this for a couple months, but I didn't have the chance and I just clicked the button today. I don't like the products that are coming in this bag. It's not worth it for me to keep it, so this is gonna be my last bag from them. So as I said before, I was about to cancel the Birchbox one. I did cancel that one, but you're still gonna see that box because I paid in advance for 2 years, and for at least 6 or 7 months you'll see that on my channel. I forgot completely that I paid for that, so the cancellation will went through after I'll finish to get all the boxes that I paid for. So we'll stay with the Birchbox for a while. Then in this bag, first thing that I see here is by Beauty Creation. This is Kali set and looks like a palette. And let's see what we have in this palette. Was this one actually? I believe it's an eyeshadow palette. Doesn't say much here. Anyway, let's look inside. Comes with a mirror, and here are the colors. I see some pretty colors in this one. So far I like the shimmery colors, this one, and probably this one. This one has nice colors. In this you have a base color also, and couple nice shades in this one. I like this one better than the one that came in BoxyCharm. As I said before, because I have a good amount of palettes that I didn't even touch, I will leave this one for giveaways. It's not worth it for me, not even to swatch this one. I prefer to let this one for somebody who will enjoy it. Then we get in here a crown brush, and this one is C494 ombre angle brush. And I'll show you how this one looks. It's very soft, and of course if you look here, it's same quality as the other one I got. Here is the brush, and this one is really nice and soft. So another item in this bag. Then we have and we have some prices here. This Kali set palette, it's $28. The value of the whole bag is $94. The brush, it's $22. And we have 3 more items in here. One of them is a face mask, and this is Mascara Aid Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask, which looks like this. And this one is Prepare Sheet Mask, and this one is $12. I would say quite expensive. Brighten, Prime and Energize. Okay, we'll see about that. But in my opinion, $12 for a sheet mask, I don't know. We'll see, maybe it does something great. I prefer to pay $12 for that Dr. Jart creepy baby face instead of this one. But we'll see, maybe this one does miracles, so you never know. Then we have in here L'Occitane & Co. I have no idea how to pronounce this, and this one is another lip product in whatever. It's a name, the name of this shade. The packaging looks like this. And let's see the color of this one. I'm trying to see what else this one has to show you the color. Here is the color of this one. Seems to be a pretty color. So far I like the formula of this one. Here is the shade of this one, quite a dark pink, and I like the formula for this one. And this one is $20, so not cheap at all. And the last item in here is this one, and this one is from Sorme Treatment Cosmetics Natural Tea Tree Bloating Paper, and this one comes with 100 sheets. So I usually use a lot of those because I have oily skin, especially in my T-zone, and during the day those are great. So I'm happy with this one. I like the lip product. I don't know how this shade will look on me. We'll try it and we'll decide. We'll see what this $12 mask does. Probably the brush, I don't know if I will keep it or not. We'll see. So far it's a soft one, and we have this eyeshadow palette that I will put in the bags for giveaways. So that's kind of all for my last Yes Oh Yes bag. I will keep watching the videos with this subscription box unboxings here on YouTube on my friends' channels, but I'm not gonna get this one. This one was about $13.99 or something. Probably the value is okay for the price that you pay for the bag, but for me it doesn't make any sense to keep it. So that's kind of all for this video. Let me know what do you think about this bag, if I did good or I didn't decide right canceling this box. Let me know if you like it and if you think that it's worth it. So far not for me. I will see you of course with another video. I don't know right now what's gonna be. I have a bunch of hauls on the way and a couple other things. In the meantime, you have an amazing day or a great night. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.